Friends, welcome to Bank Exam Cafe, and in today's episode we are going to see 1 mark questions. In the cbse examination 2021, there will be 16 questions that will be asked for 1 mark, and this is the first part. And in first part we will see few questions of 1 marks. I request you to download the case study material questions in the PDF format from the description box. And here is the first question of today's episode, 1 mark question. The question is that the sum of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial 3x square minus kx plus 6 is 3. Then find the value of k. Friends, the given quadratic polynomial is 3x square plus minus kx plus 6, and it is said that the sum of the zeros is 3, that is alpha plus beta, that is equal to 3. But we know that the sum of the roots is what? Sum of the roots, that is minus b upon a. So minus b is what? It is minus k. So b upon a. So b is what? It is minus k, and this minus, that will be plus. So it will be k upon a. A is what? 3. So which is equal to 3. And therefore k is equal to 3 3s are 9. And so here we got the value of k as 9. Now let us move to the next question. For what value of k the pair of linear equations 3x plus y is equal to 3 and 6x plus ky is equal to 8 does not have a solution? Now the given pair of linear equations are 3x plus y, which is equal to 3, and another equation is 3x plus ky, that is equal to 8. And we have to find the value of k such that the pair of linear equations will not have a solution. And the condition for no solution is that a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. So here a1 upon a2 will be what? 3 upon 6. So it will be 3 upon 6, which is equal to b1 upon b2. b1 is a coefficient of y. Here there is nothing, it means there is 1. So it will be 1 upon k. 1 upon k, which is not equal to c1 upon c2. Now we will equate these two. So 3 upon 6, which is equal to 1 upon k. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and therefore k is equal to 2. So here we have got the value of k as 2. So we can say that for k is equal to 2, the given pair of linear equation will not have a solution. See the next question. Which term of AP 27, 24, 21 is 0? We have to find that the which term of this given AP is 0. Because this is decreasing, so therefore there will be one term where there will be a 0, and that number we have to find. So here a is equal to what? It is 27. A is the first term. D is a common difference, that is second term minus first term. So D, that is equal to second term minus first term, that is 24 minus 27, that is minus 3. And let the nth term be the 0. So an is equal to 0. And we have to find n is equal to how much. So the nth term we are taking as 0, and we have to find a is how much. So here we know that an is equal to a plus into bracket n minus 1 close the bracket into d. Here an is what? It is 0. So 0 is equal to A is what? It is 27. So it is 27 plus n minus 1, close the bracket, into D is minus 3. So multiplied by minus 3. Now solve this. Multiply by minus 3 inside the bracket. So 0 is equal to 27 minus 3 into n, that will be minus 3n. Then minus will be plus, and 3 ones are 3. So 27 plus 3, that will be 30. If you take 30 to the other side, that will be minus 30, and minus will be plus, and so it is 3n is equal to 30. So 3 ones are 3, 3 tens are 30, and so n is equal to 10. So friends, the 10th term of the given AP will be 0. See the next question. In an arithmetic progression, if D is equal to minus 4, there is an arithmetic progression whose common difference is given as minus 4, and n number of terms that is given as 7, and an means the sum of the an, that is last term, that is given as 4, and we have to find the value of A. Friends, here we know that an is equal to A plus into bracket n minus 1 into D. An is what? It is 4. So replace that value 4. A is what? That we have to calculate. So A will be as it is into n minus 1, that is 7 minus 1. Into D is minus 4. The value of D is minus 4. Now solve this linear equation. So 4 is equal to A plus 7 minus 4. 7 minus 4, that will be 6, and 6 4s are 24, and plus minus will be minus 24. Take minus 24 to other side, it will be plus 24. So 4 plus 24, that will be 28, and therefore A is equal to 28. So here we get the first term of the given arithmetic progression is 28. Now move to the next question. For what value of k the equation 9x square plus 6kx, this should be 6kx. So plus 6kx plus 4, that is equal to 0, has equal roots. This is the quadratic equation given to us, and we have to find the value of k such that the quadratic equation will have equal roots. So to have the equal roots, we know that D should be equal to 0. We know that if D is greater than 0, there will be distinct root, it means different root. If D is equal to 0, then the equation will have equal roots, and if D is less than 0, then equation will have no roots. So here D is equal to 0, and D is what? It is B square minus 4AC, which is equal to 0. Now put the values. B square, B is what? 6k. So it will be 6k bracket square minus 4 into A is what? 9 into C is what? It is 4, which is equal to 0. Now 6k bracket square, that will be 36k square minus 144, that is equal to 0. Take 144 to other side, so it will be 36k square, which is equal to 144. And taking square root of both the sides, we will get 6k is equal to plus minus 12. Friends, here this is the accident prone area. This step is the accident prone area. In a hurry, we take the square root of 144 as 12 only. But it is not like that. The square root of 144 is always plus 12 and minus 12. But we most of the time neglect or reject this minus 12. But as far as the quadratic equation is concerned, you have to take both the terms plus 12 as well as minus 12. So 6 ones are 6, 6 twos are 12, and therefore k is equal to plus minus 2, and therefore Here you have got the value of k as plus and the value of k as minus 2, for which the given quadratic equation will have equal roots. Now move to the next question. The question is on the screen. Find the probability of getting a doublet in a throw of a pair of dice. Doublet means what? When we throw a pair of dice and when on both the die the same number turns up, then we call it as a doublet. Suppose we throw a pair of dice and on both the die if 1 and 1 appear, then we say that it is a doublet, or 2 and 2 appear, then we say it is a doublet. Correct? And we have to find the probability of getting a doublet. And since it is a dice, the total outcome that will be equal to 6 into 6, because we are throwing a pair of dice and therefore total outcome will be 36. Now the favorable outcome that will be what? 1, 1, then 2, 2, then 3, 3, then 4, 4, then it will be 5, 5, and then 6, 6. These all will be the doublets. How many doublets are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and therefore the favorable outcome that is equal to 6. And therefore the probability of getting a doublet that will be equal to favorable outcome divided by total outcome. So it will be 6 by 36. So 6 1s are 6, 6 6s are 36. So it will be 1 by 6. And therefore the required probability is 1 by 6. Let us see the next question. Now here is a question: sin A plus cos B, that is equal to 1, and A is 30 degree and B is an acute angle, then find the value of B. What is given? It is given that sin A plus cos B, which is equal to 1, and it is said that A is 30, so it will be sin 30 plus cos B, that is equal to 1. Now sin 30 is what? It is 1 by 2 plus cos of B, which is equal to 1. Take 1 half to the other side, it will be minus 1 half. So 1 minus half, that will be half, and so cos of B is equal to half. But since cos of 60 is 1 half, cos of 60 is 1 half, and therefore angle B should be angle 60, and therefore B is equal to 60 degrees. Highlight this. Now the next question is, if x is equal to 2 sine square A and y is equal to 2 cos square A plus 1, then find the value of x plus y. So friends, here x plus y, that will be equal to 2 sine square A plus 2 cos square A plus 1. Now from these first two terms, if you take out 2 as a common factor, then inside the bracket it will be sine square A plus cos square A plus 1, which is equal to 2 sine square A plus cos square A. This is 1, and so it will be 2 into 1 will be 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3, and so we get x plus y, which is equal to 3. Now see the next question. And so friends, here I hope you must have enjoyed this video. If yes, please like the video, share it with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. So friends, thank you very much for watching this video.